Welcome back, guys. Crypto for Life channel. Today, we'd like to show you the Pnut USDT trading pair with my custom set chart. Let's dive in. Right, guys. If you trade on the Binance, we landed exactly to the best zone to buy because we tested first time the beginning of February 2025. After that, we trade in this accumulation zone. Now we hit the zero level. But guys, it's on the Binance. We're still in a downtrend, and to break this structure, to talk about the uptrend, we are still in a downtrend. We have to break this high over then a yearly open. So sooner or later, anyway, believe it or not, but we're going to test 67 cents, 28. If this token is not a pure scam, because at the moment we can't know, right? So of course, I totally understand you hate to hear something like this one in every single video, but guys, any single token can be delisted at any single moment. So just be real, even the brand new one. So the Coinbase delisted the move. So after the months when they listed, so it's kind of strange, but sometimes it happens. So to talk about uptrend, we need to break this structure, high, correction, and talk about a uptrend. So this is a if we talk about a basic market structure. Right, so we landed to the best zone to buy, and if you took a risk, because I skipped the Pnut, and now I want to show you why. So you could fix the profit here around 192%, so you could at least withdraw and show deposit. So zero risk. Monthly open, it's 1782. Yearly open is 6739. So guys, this is still accumulation zone, and definitely one day we're gonna hit the yearly open 67, and from the low it will be around 453%. So it's more than good. Do you believe in new all-time high? Maybe. I totally don't care about this meme sector, but once again, this is order flow. This is a break of structure. If we talk about it even on the daily, so yes. This can be the 50% of this downtrend, test, drop, and we talk about a shift of the movement. So this is if we talk about on the Binance chart. But guys, the Pnut listed on the Binance November 11. I want to show you the Pnut on the BitGet, because on the BitGet, this token listed on November 7. And yes, the target's absolutely the same. But if this is a if we not break the structure, and if the market will go down again, in summer, and it's more than real, especially the meme sector. So the targets, it can be based on BitGet, because this token listed 4 days before the Binance. So this candle, it's in the Binance, it's Binance listing, this one. But before we listed on a BitGet and traded 4 days. So based on the invitation accumulation pump model, the zone of interest can be at 6 cents, 5 cents, 3 cents 24, 2 cents 47. So this is the way, guys. And of course, I hope you watch the main video about a Pnut after listing, and you're not hopping here. Because the people screaming, we go into the moon, to the PAPA market capitalization, to the 9, 10, 100, and all of that billion market capitalization. People talk about billions like it's like a penny, right? But guys, big differences between the million and the billion market cap. So zone of interest on BitGet, I showed you. A magnet, bullish one, it's a still yearly open, and the structure. So this is it. Let's hide the FIB, double check with my customer set what's going on, and now with the Pnut. And also, guys, if we go into the line chart, people usually use something like this one about the downtrend. So people draw the trend line like this one, 1, 2. So we break the structure. No, guys, we're not, because just because of charts always move to the right side. Usually what we can see something like this one. So interior, I many times realize, it can be something like this one, test, drop, test, and only after that break it out. So it's just in theory where we can stop. But yes, $1, it's like psychological trigger for this token, can be. Do I believe in new all-time high? Everything possible. Absolutely, guys, everything possible. I think and I truly believe we will see one more and maybe the last one, the hype around the meme sector. Got it. So take a look with weekly time frame chart with my customer set. What's going on now? I don't like a session like this one. We're just in the middle. We're just in the middle. So this is not a distribution, not an accumulation, nothing. Still euphoria on a market mode on a weekly. So it's not bullish one. Here is a, take a look. We are in this one. We are in the awareness. Here, top, drop, top, high. So this is the awareness. Yes, we can see one more sideways and even yearly open. Something like this one. And summer going down. Yes, more than real to see. So just be careful, but after 200%, for me personally, it's not a good time for entry. Euphoria on market mode on daily even direction, no signal to sell yet. So it's good. Take a look with money power indicator on the daily here. All this period was accumulation. A lot of RSI bullish divergences. The last one RSI bullish divergence was April 15, and we pump it. Now it's money outflow, so it's not a time to hop in. We test the middle line, so if we go higher, it's going to be the yearly open. At this point, you can try to open short position, and it's going to be this one. But the summer, in this case, going to be the bearish one. So would be good to see here the full fill of weekly gap. Would be good to see something like this one. Drop and the bullish summer. I wish to see the bullish summer, but we will see. We will see the 12-hour time frame. Yes, money inflow, money outflow. So the whale, step by step, guys, fix the profit. So it's more than okay. It's more than healthy. Take a look. Trade on the daily. Here, last one signal to buy was February 14. This was a take profit. No signal to sell yet. So it's good. Weekly time frame, no data. So yes, it's more than real to see another impulse higher to the yearly open, guys. And after that, correction. So be careful. Take profit. Guys, we trade way over exit line. So this is not a bullish one. Bullish is where we test fundamental value of the token or buy line. Now we trade way over exit line. So it's not a time to hop in. Weekly, still no data. So guys, first of all, I highly recommend you go and check how to work with indentation accumulation pump model. Second one, I highly recommend you go and check the first video about Pnut, what I posted after Binance listing. And I highly recommend you double check the tutorial how to work with my custom indicator set. So if you want to work with this tool, now I get a minus 30% deal for all indicator set plan. Subscribe, change his like button, his notification button. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.